Hello friends, welcome to another video. Yes, we are in our van. We are all packed up and we are heading on a little rendezvous trip. We just woke up this morning and we're like, oh, it's gonna be really hot. It's been raining for 3 days now and we're like, oh, we're just sick of the rain, and today it's gonna be really hot in the 30s, so we decided to take a trip. We're gonna go camping, we're gonna go to the beach, we're gonna go across the border into another country, and we're just gonna chill and have a really good time. So yeah.
My violin.
Yeah, that is gonna bring your violin. So we're all packed up, our stuff is all up there, all our gear is in the van, and we're ready to rock and roll. Bye bye farms, see you in a couple of days. We're just adventurous people, guys. We love adventure.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.
Alright, let's rock and roll. Oops, I think I sat on my skirt or something. Goodbye, goodbye. You're looking so cool in your hat. Hey guys, everybody happy in the back there?
I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy? Oh. We're going on a nice trip. That's what you're gonna do.
Yeah, but I'm waiting for the iPod.
There's a person in there.
Which umbrella? There's nobody there? Oh yeah, there's a person.
guys stay there, please.
I want to see you. I want to see you so hard.
Can you stop that?
What's your thing, please? What's your thing, please, at all?
Oh, que glace.
Peaches and cream.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Wait, you taking the video?
Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys, for the channel. Today I'm wiping my hands, and we're at the beach today.
Let's go.
My brother is going to change his clothes. You can see in the back. You can see him, and he's definitely going to change clothes. Why are you putting it there?
You can see what you're doing.
Will it fit me, Mommy?
Yeah. We need this.
I want to put it on. I want to put it on the white jacket. Can I put it on the white jacket, Mommy?
Go inside the car.
What?
Go around.
Around.
Sit down there. Sit down. Sit there.
Ow!
It's hot?
I'm like hurt my leg.
I'm gonna go put my clothes on, okay?
Are you going to clean your clothes? In the van? You going to clean your clothes? Hi guys, on channel. Today I'm going to get a crowd in the van. I can see her right in the van as she's gone.
So hey you all, we are here at the beach. It's very quiet in the evenings. It's 4 o'clock, and so there is absolutely not a lot of crowd actually today. So it's very quiet. Just a few cars in the parking lot, as you can see. So the parking lot is pretty clean, kind of. There's a few people on the beach, and that's how we like it. We come here before and it's very crowded, and you know, so today it's really nice and there's hardly anybody here, and so it's amazing. So yeah, so the beach is right here. Yeah, so let's walk to the beach. Just gonna take all my stuff. I have some food that we bought. So I'm gonna just be carrying that with me. We'll have a little picnic. And of course I'm carrying my tripod stand. My kids are already there, sitting down. They found a nice spot all the way over there, so I'm gonna go find them. Alright, let's see. And you're eating there?
Boom!
Oh, look at all the seagulls.
Mom, like what's in the water now?
Finish eating.
Mom, I did finish eating.